Yeah, we're on the cliff. That's the cliff. Just go down. See? He's in the jungles. It's in Africa. I mean I'm in Hong Kong. These are the jungles. I mean the pack of the jungles. And do you see the cliff? Don't fall down. They might fall down actually. Yeah, at the cliff. See? The mountains there and this is a cliff. So, you see? The jungle's there, you see? And I can't maybe not be able to get them down, but there's no more on the floor. And there's no seeds. No seasonings. Yeah, but yeah, one there. That is almost right. Okay. Answer. You see?
哇！呢個係嗰個心喎，係
You
嘛？
see, this is the
呢個殼喎，
and
乾
no
咗。
doesn't. And this is the
哦，
all
佢嘅葉啊，哇
leaves.
！OK，好啦。
All there.
呢個係咩嚟嘅？哦，咩羊咩啊？
Yeah.
呢個要研究下。
There's one there. There's one there.
冇咗啦個
No
心
seed.
係啊
It's，not seed, but it's just
冇命啦。
cliff. There's one there. Let me go up the out the cliff. Go back up the cliff. Go back up the cliff. This
我呢個就係篤啦。OK，
this is actually
呢個 BB 啊，
not the tree. This is the itself of the
佢嘅 BB 啊，
They fall down and they floating.
哇！得翻個心。
See? All don't have the seeds, but
對
maybe
人唔好啊！食完你啲糖啊，點咁掉喎？
yeah, and maybe
唔好啊！叫佢哋唔好。
this is not the right season to come here, but there's still some things here. There's still some seeds on this. It's just one, yeah. We could leave it and make it better. And where the jungles is where you see there? You see there? The jungle is surrounding the city. You see? The city. You see? It's surrounding the city. You see? It's surrounding the city. So you see the desert is there, the green, but it just can't go down. The sea can't go down because it's too tight. If I can touch that thing, it's still not good because it's starting. Here in the hillside. So let's go there. Let's go there.
呢棵你掂到啦，
And
咁大抽添喎。
Listen,
摸下好啦，唔好整爛佢啊，
it's all dry.
因為乾咗啦。
That's season, you see? Very down there. Go up from there. Yes. So many fish. Maybe this is. Oh, no. Let's go down. You see the whole cliff. You see the whole cliff. You see the whole cliff. The 10 foot down.
呢度都有啊，
There's some there.
周圍都係啊。
There's so many there. There's so many seeds there. And subscribe if you know of this. And let's go up the cliff and see fun.
Hold
Some
on.
other fruits. Let's go.